everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some countryside cottage inspired home decor ideas. Let's start the video. Countryside cottage inspired home decor is a warm, cozy and nostalgic decorating style inspired by peaceful rural cottages and countryside living. It combines rustic charm, vintage details, natural materials, and soft romantic touches to create a home that feels comfortable, welcoming, and lived in. This style is closely connected to Cottagecore aesthetic, which romanticizes simple countryside life with nature-inspired decor, handmade elements, and cozy interiors. Main features of countryside cottage decor: soft and calming color palettes like cream, beige, chess cream, dusty blue, warm white, lush pink, and buttery yellow are commonly used to create a beautiful atmosphere. Uses natural materials like wood, wicker, linen, cotton, stone, ceramic, and rattan, help the home feel connected to nature and countryside living. Vintage and antique furniture displays wood tables, paint cabinets, floral armchairs, old mirrors, and faded furniture give the space character and history. Cozy layer textiles use soft blankets, floral cushions, lace curtains, knitted shawls, gingham fabrics, and layered bedding make rooms feel warm and inviting. Use floral and botanical prints like wildflower prints, botanical wallpaper, roses, and nature-inspired fabrics are essential in countryside cottage interiors. Use rustic and handmade details, handmade pottery, oven baskets, wooden trays, vintage jars, candles, and handcrafted decorations create authenticity and charm. Countryside cottage decor is not about perfection or luxury. It is about comfort, warmth, simplicity, and emotional connection. Rooms often feel collected over time instead of perfectly matching. People love this style because it creates a beautiful countryside atmosphere, a nostalgic and romantic feeling, a cozy homey environment, a connection to nature and solo living. Popular countryside cottage spaces: cottage kitchen with open shelves, vintage dishes, and wooden countertops. Cozy reading corners with floral cushions and soft lighting. Rustic dining rooms with farmhouse tables. Bedrooms with layered linen, bedding, and vintage decor. Garden-inspired living rooms filled with plants and natural light. Common decorative elements: some classic countryside cottage decorations include dried flowers and lavender, vintage clocks, lace tablecloths, wooden beams, ceramic pictures, antique frames, floral wallpaper, candles and lanterns, oven baskets, copper kitchen accessories. Modern countryside cottage style. Modern versions of this decor style mix cottage charm with cleaner and lighter interiors. Styles like Scandi cottage combines Scandinavian simplicity with countryside warmth. Newer trends also blend cottage decor with elegant vintage touches and layered textures for a more luxurious countryside look. Why people love it? Countryside cottage decor feels relaxing and timeless. It turns a house into a comforting retreat filled with warmth, personality, and charm. Many people enjoy it because it celebrates solo living, simplicity, handmade beauty, nature, vintage charm, and cozy everyday life. Countryside cottage inspired decor is more than just a decorating style. It is a lifestyle inspired aesthetic that focuses on comfort, warmth, nature, and peaceful living. The goal is to make a home feel cozy, welcoming, and naturally beautiful, almost like a charming countryside retreat. The overall mood: a countryside cottage home usually feels soft and calming, warm and nostalgic, light and airy, relaxed and lived in, romantic and nature inspired. Unlike modern luxury interiors that can feel polished and perfect, countryside cottage spaces embrace imperfections and character. Slightly voided furniture, handmade decor, and vintage finds actually add beauty to the space. Uses vintage furniture with character. Furniture in countryside cottage homes often looks collected over time instead of bought as matching set. Popular furniture styles: lustrous wooden tables, antique cabinets, farmhouse dining table, vintage dressers, slip-covered sofas, rocking chairs, rustic benches, and iron bed frames. Small imperfections like chipped paint or aged wood help create authentic cottage charm. Cozy layered textures. Texture is extremely important in cottage interiors because it creates warmth and comfort. Common textures include linen curtains, knitted blankets, cotton bedding, cushioned pillow covers, lace tablecloth, oven baskets, tunic shawls, ruffled cushions. Layering many soft textures together creates that cozy countryside feeling. Uses floral and botanical details. Nature is one of the biggest inspirations behind countryside cottage decor. Popular nature-inspired elements: floral wallpaper, botanical art prints, wildflower arrangements, dried lavender, indoor plants, garden-inspired fabrics, vine patterns, wooden benches, and greenery. Fresh flowers in ceramic pictures are a classic cottage decorating detail. Rustic kitchen charm. Countryside cottage kitchens are especially cozy and welcoming. Typical cottage kitchen features: open wooden shelves, vintage dishes, ceramic mugs, copper cookware, apron front sinks, wooden countertops, hanging herbs, gingham curtains, glass jars for storage. The kitchen often feels like the heart of the home. Warm and lighting. Lighting in countryside cottage homes is usually soft and warm, instead of bright and harsh. Popular lighting choices: table lamps, vintage candlelights, lantern style lights, candles, fairy lights, wall sconces. Warm lighting helps create a peaceful evening atmosphere. Handmade and collected decor. Countryside cottage interiors often include personal and handmade touches. Examples: handmade pottery, crochet knitings, antique books, vintage frames, wooden trays, gifted decorations, handmade quilts, oven baskets. These details make the home feel personal and meaningful. Different types of countryside cottage styles. English countryside cottage, inspired by rural English cottages, use floral fabrics, stone fireplaces, vintage china, cozy layered rooms, and traditional charm. French country cottage, more elegant and romantic, use soft neutrals, distressed furniture, antique candelights, lavender decor, and rustic elegance. Farmhouse cottage, a mix of rustic farmhouse and cozy cottage, use wooden beams, neutral colors, vintage kitchen decor, rustic textures, and simpler styling. Cottagecore style, a modern internet-inspired cottage aesthetic focused on solo living, gardening, baking, handmade crafts, romantic countryside life. How to make a home feel more countryside cottage? You do not need a real countryside house to create this style. Simple ways to start. Add floral cushions. Use warm white colors. Decorate with open baskets. Add vintage-inspired furniture. Display fresh flowers. Use soft curtains. Add candles and firm lamps. Add neutral wood decor. Decorate with antique-style pieces. Even small apartments can feel cozy and cottage-inspired with the right textures and colors. Why this style feels so comfortable? Countryside cottage decor creates emotional warmth because it reminds people of simpler living, nature, family homes, quiet countryside life, cozy memories, and relaxing spaces. The style feels timeless because it focuses on comfort rather than trends. Modern countryside cottage trends. Today, many people combine countryside cottage decor with Scandinavian minimalism, vintage farmhouse, rustic elegance, cottagecore aesthetic, modern neutral interiors. This creates a cleaner and brighter version of traditional cottage style while keeping the cozy atmosphere. Countryside cottage inspired decor originally came from small rural homes in places like England, France, and other countries' regions of Europe. These cottages are simple homes built for farmers, gardens, and village families. Over time, their cozy and practical interiors became admired for their warmth and charm. Unlike formal luxury homes, countryside cottages focused on comfort, practical living, handmade items, natural materials, family gatherings, and seasonal decorating. Today, this traditional charm has evolved into a popular interior style loved around the world. The architecture of countryside cottage homes. Many countryside cottages have charming architectural features that help create their cozy atmosphere. Common cottage architecture features. First, wooden beams, like exposed ceiling beams, create rustic warmth and old-world charm. Stone or brick fireplaces. Fireplaces are often the heart of a cottage living room. Small cozy rooms. Traditional cottages usually have intimate spaces rather than huge open rooms. Cottage windows. Small paint windows with soft curtains allow natural light to fill the room. Sloped roofs. Many cottages have charming angled roofs and attic bedrooms. Natural materials. Use stone, wood, brick, and plaster walls. Create authenticity. Even modern homes often recreate these features to achieve a countryside cottage look. The importance of nature in cottage interiors. Nature is one of the biggest inspirations behind this decorating style. Natural elements often used wildflowers, olive branches, lavender, eucalyptus, pine cones, or charred herbs, wooden furniture, stone textures, and indoor plants. Many cottage homes blur the line between indoors and outdoors by bringing garden-inspired beauty inside. Cottage bedroom style. Countryside cottage bedrooms are designed to feel restful and romantic. Common bedroom features layered linen bedding, ruffled pillow covers, vintage bedside tables, soft lighting, floral quilts, iron bed frames, lace curtains, neutral calming colors. The goal is to create a peaceful retreat that feels warm and relaxing. Decorating on a budget. One reason countryside cottage decor is so popular is that it can be created affordably. Budget-friendly cottage decorating ideas, cheap vintage decor, use flower market finds, paint old furniture, decorate with jade flowers, use simple linen fabrics, repurpose wooden crates, display antique style jars, DIY handmade decorations. A small, inexpensive detail can completely transform a room. Why countryside cottage style is so popular? Countryside cottage decor became especially popular through social media and the Cottagecore trend because people were drawn to solo living, cozy homes, nature-inspired interiors, relaxing environments, vintage beauty, and handmade aesthetics. Many people see cottage interiors as a peaceful escape from busy modern life. I think today's ideas will help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.